Hello wonderful people, welcome to another wonderful episode. Congratulations to YouTubers who has made it to YouTube partnership programs, and to those of them who are still down there coming up. And in extension, congratulations to all of us, because I want to use this opportunity and announce to you officially that Tutorship TV have made it to YouTube partnership program. And let the truth be told, it is not an easy job at all. But I couldn't have done it without you guys, because it was your engagement, your shares, your subscriptions, and everything that made us to get to where we are today. And I cannot take it for granted, because you guys made it possible. And if you are here watching and you've never hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Just smash that subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will also be among the first person that will get the video. On my video list, I also have some interesting videos that can entertain you. So go there and check it out. I also want to use this opportunity to encourage those of you who are still nursing the idea of becoming a YouTuber, but are waiting to gather all the whole beautiful gadget to start with, like cameras, tripod, LED light, and microphone, plus so many others. It is very nice to have all those gadgets, but I want you to look at this, and so many others. When I started, it was not an easy task. Though if you look at those videos, plus so many other videos I started with, you will laugh, but it keeps on getting better as the day goes by. So it is good to gather those expensive objects, but you can start with the little one you have. That time I used to hang my phone with stick somewhere. Sometimes I use chair, sometimes I go to uncompleted building and just hang my phone somewhere and start doing my thing. You can do just that and start from somewhere. Like I told you, the beautiful thing about it is that if you have an open mind and you start from somewhere, it will keep on getting better as the day goes by. And if you have any question that you would want me to assist you with, just let me know on the comment section, and I'll be very glad to help you out with the little knowledge I have. I also have beautiful videos about YouTube. If you check my video list, you can check them out and also learn from there. But if you have a specific question you want me to help out with, just let me know on the comment section, and I'll be glad to help you out with it. So start with the little one you have and keep pushing. Finally, you will get to where you are going to. So thank you so much for your shares, for your engagement, for your subscription, for everything that you are doing to support this channel. I'm so grateful for that. And if you have never smashed that red subscribe button, go ahead and smash it right now, and also click on your bell notification icon for more updates on new videos. Now, I cannot conclude this video without saying a very big thank you to my boss them, who has encouraged me so much on this channel. The first person on the list is Mr. Ados Michael, aka Zahed Boy. Thank you so much, sir, for your encouragement and everything. I also want to extend my thanks also to Mr. Prince Bright. Thank you so much, sir, for your encouragement and everything you have done to contribute to the success of Tutorship TV. I also want to extend my thanks also to Mr. Wapnas TV. You can go to his channel and check it out. He's also doing very well on his channel. So thank you all for your support, for your encouragement, for everything you have done on this channel, and most especially to my fans, to the fans of Tutorship TV. Thank you so much, because there is no way I would have done it without you guys. Keep on engaging, keep on sharing, keep on supporting. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next video. God's will, signing out.